Welcome to the factory of Rillion Laser. Today we will introduce to you the laser cleaning machine. Touch intelligent control screen. Easy to install and easy to operate. The laser head is stable and safe. The processing quality is good. Start cleaning after setting parameters. Before cleaning, open the safety button on the cleaning head. Now the cleaning width of fiber laser cleaning machine is 120毫米. The standard cleaning width of fiber laser cleaning machines ranges from 0到300毫米. The cleaning width of 600毫米 or 800毫米 can also be customized. Before cleaning, open the safety button on the cleaning head. Now the cleaning width of fiber laser cleaning machine is 300毫米.